you guys can never again say our justice system don't work. Picture this, you are a member of parliament, you have a nice salary, a fancy job title, and the power to influence government tenders to go your way. Do you A. Serve the people with integrity and dignity? Or B. You take bribes from the company that they've nicknamed the corruption ATM? If you pick B, congratulations, you've just described Mr. Vincent Smith. He is a former member of parliament for the ANC and chair to the committee watching the prisons. Now here comes Bosasa, the facilities company that just kept on winning millions and millions of government tenders. The question is how? Now according to the prosecution, Bosasa treated parliament like an all-you-can-bribe buffet. Allegedly, Mr. Vincent Smith scored plus minus 800,000 rand in cash from this buffet, plus free home security upgrades, because nothing says I'm not corrupt like getting a free home renovations from a government contractor, right? Now, Mr. Smith was actually supposed to be watching these guys, but instead he was taking bribes because why? Apparently everybody have a price, but my only price is Mr. Price. Anyway, fast forward, Mr. Smith finally said that, you know what, I won't win this case. I'd rather take a plea deal. Now, a plea deal is basically saying, I'm very sorry, I did this. Let's not go to trial and waste everybody's time. Just please deviate from the minimum sentence. So Mr. Smith and his team took this deal to the prosecution, and the prosecution said, okay, cool, we agree, let's go to the magistrate. And the court said, boom, 7 years inside a prison for Mr. Smith, who actually only know a fancy life. Here is the part that I like. Mr. Smith's co-accused, Mr. Agrizi, he was convicted and he's sentenced. But Mr. Agrizi cannot be sentenced inside a prison because of health issues. So Mr. Smith will be by himself. So we should be excited because this is the first commission who actually gave somebody an inside sentence. Now look, either way, 7 years is a long time inside a prison. So the only good thing about being 7 years inside of a prison is you might just find the love of your life.